Most tablets on the market feel like slightly overgrown smartphones. Holding a 13-inch screen changes your entire perspective on what a handheld device should actually do. You might think you are satisfied with a standard 10-inch screen until you sit down with this massive slab of glass and metal. It is basically like carrying a portable movie theater. It feels like a high-end sketchbook in your backpack. The sheer scale of it makes every other device feel cramped. When you first pick it up, the weight tells you everything you need to know about the build quality. There is no cheap plastic creaking here. Instead, you get a solid metal body that feels premium and refined. It has these smooth edges. These make it comfortable to hold during a long movie marathon. You do not get that flimsy, hollow feeling that usually comes with budget-friendly tech. The screen itself is the real star of the show. The colors are punchy and vibrant. The viewing angles are wide enough that you can share a movie with a friend. You will not see washed-out colors. It turns a boring commute or a quiet evening into a truly cinematic experience. Browsing social media or reading articles becomes way more immersive. Everything is just bigger and bolder. Then there is the audio. Tablet speakers are usually a complete afterthought. These ones actually pack a punch. They get loud enough to fill a room. You get a clear sound that does not distort when you crank the volume up. It makes watching videos without headphones a much more pleasant experience. Now, let us talk about getting actual work done. Because the screen is so large, multitasking feels natural. It is not forced. You can run two apps side by side without squinting at tiny text. It is a fantastic setup for students. It works for anyone who needs to knock out some emails while keeping a reference document open. It starts to bridge that gap between a casual media device and a legitimate productivity tool. It handles the back and forth between tasks with a level of smoothness. This keeps your workflow steady. Of course, the cameras are just there for utility. You are not going to be winning any photography awards with this thing. But for a quick video call with family or a remote meeting, it does exactly what it needs to do. The front-facing lens keeps you clear enough for professional calls. You also get all the standard connectivity you would expect. Fast wireless is included. There are plenty of options for pairing your favorite accessories. If you want to attach a keyboard or use wireless headphones, it all connects without a hitch. It is refreshing to find a device that focuses on the essentials. It provides a massive canvas for your digital life. This tablet proves that you do not have to spend a fortune. You can get a screen that rivals a laptop. It is built for the person who wants to see more and do more. It helps you actually enjoy the process without the hardware getting in the way. The battery life holds its own through hours of streaming. You can take it through a day of casual use without reaching for a charger. This makes it a reliable companion for travel. It sits in that sweet spot where value meets performance. You get the size of a professional tablet without the massive price tag. It is a solid choice for anyone who values screen real estate above everything else. Having this much space for your apps changes the way you interact with the internet. You stop scrolling and start seeing. It is about the luxury of space. You can have your notes on one side and a video on the other. It feels productive and relaxing at the same time. The metal chassis stays cool even when you are pushing it. It is a dependable piece of hardware that feels like it belongs in a much higher price bracket. If you are tired of small screens, this is the answer. It is big, it is bold, and it actually delivers on the promise of a pro-sized experience for a fraction of the cost.